Today we are going to make a pine cone bird feeder, which is this one. First thing that we do is we tie the string onto it, and I have my pine cone already. So I'll tie the pine cone to the string real quick. And then I'll double tie it because the birds might jump on it too hard. So there we go. And now what we're going to do is now we're going to cover it in peanut butter. Make sure you have peanut butter and birdseed around you. So I'll go ahead and get a plastic knife. And I'll get the peanut butter. And I'll just put it on here. And this is so the birdseed can stick onto it instead of it not sticking onto it. It might take a couple of seconds because you have to have a little bit of peanut butter on here.
And just make sure if it does not drip on the ground.
You won't. Dripped on my hand though. Thank you. Now there we go. Now I'll get the bird seed. And what you want to do is you want to put it on here like this. Okay. Like this. And this is so they can eat it. And the birds are watching us right now. I see like 4 birds are looking at us in the trees. And then I'll put it like this. Then it's got this.
Like a little bird cake.
Yeah, it is like a little bird cake. For seeds and then peanut butter. And then do that.
Just drop it in there and it'll get the seeds on there. Let's try something like this.
Yeah.
Shake and bake in there. Flip it.
It's like a burger.
Alright, and we'll leave that to set for a minute.
Alright, so you'll need 1 part sugar because we're making something for the
Hummingbirds?
yeah, for the hummingbirds. So you'll need 1 part sugar and 4 parts water. And you add the sugar to the water. I'll get my spoon to mix all of this. Today is just a bird adventure for the birds.
We have a lot of birds here, luckily.
Yeah. Yeah, earlier I saw a big hawk.
They trust us because we feed them all the time.
Yeah.
We got a pond for them to drink from and sand for them to bathe in.
Yep. Especially those, what are they again? They're like brown.
Finches.
Yeah, the finches. They love taking baths in there. Right.
So once your sugar's dissolved, what do you do with it? Oh, that looks nice.
Yeah, it does look nice.
You don't want to add food coloring to it.
Because that could hurt the birds very bad.
Yeah. A lot of companies put red dye in theirs, which I never understood. It doesn't really attract me anymore.
But
Yeah.
birds do not eat peanut butter, correct?
No, that's just...
They love peanuts.
Yeah, they love
This is
peanuts.
sunflower butter because that's what we had.
Yeah, and it'll extract them better.
So you're going to carefully pour that in there.
Yep. Oh, at least
Butter hands.
butter hands.
You know what? Wow.
You know what? I'm gonna go get the little green thingy or whatever.
Well, wipe your hands off while you're getting that so you don't get butter all over you.
Yeah. Bet you was trying to get our stuff out, making them. Now carefully try to put it in here. That's a funny noise. I'm glad that we get to make the birds something.
And is that all we're doing today? For the birds?
Yes. Yep, all we're doing
We
today
need
for
to
the birds.
scatter up their seeds for them. They'll be so excited.
Yeah, they do love all these
All right, well,
seeds.
today we learned how to make some treats for the birds
Yep.
and the squirrels.
Yep.
So tune in next time. You never know what you'll learn here.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.